In this video, I do want to have a look at when an altcoin season will start because a lot of you guys have been coming. Yo, Dose is not doing videos anymore. Yo, Dose is not active on Twitter anymore. Yo, Dose is not active on Discord anymore. What is going on? Is an altcoin season happening? You guys know me. I hold a bunch of altcoins. Obviously, I hold a lot of Ethereum, and unfortunately, Ethereum is crashing. I'm down like so much money. It's ridiculous. But we're going to be talking right now about when an altcoin season is going to happen, if an altcoin season is going to happen, if an altcoin season is going to happen, and when it's going to happen, and what needs to happen in order for an altcoin season to happen. So if you guys do like this video, make sure you guys stick around till the end because it's going to be an interesting one, and a lot of people don't understand that a few things need to happen in order for an altcoin season to happen. We're going to be having a look at Bitcoin, which is obviously the most obvious one. I mean, you literally cannot dissect Bitcoin, okay, and have an altcoin season. You cannot. You need to understand what will happen with Bitcoin first in order for you to have an altcoin season. And we're going to be talking about this tweet, guys. I said the faster Ethereum and BTC goes to 187,000 and 3,100, the faster the bull market start. That's simple. I said that January 1st. You probably would have saved a lot of money if you actually listened to this tweet. And I said, can y'all just dump it already? Okay, obviously it was a joke. You guys do whatever you want, not financial advice. So having a look at the whole crypto bubble right here, you guys can see in the past month, things are disgustingly down. I mean, 41%, 50%, 30%, 25%. Things are absolutely getting obliterated right now. People, everything they made is literally just getting slashed in half, like in literally a month, not even like 2 weeks. Trump is up. Forget about Trump. Put that to the side. XCN, very, very good crypto. Let's put that to the side. I don't really know much about Ultima and Telcoin. I know Telcoin has been a lot of hype in the last bull market. OM, literally whoever made money on OM, congratulations. You are literally up so much. It's literally disgusting. I mean, up 3,000% on last year. Congratulations on that. But overall, guys, I mean, you could see Bonk, Pepe down 51%. That's literally crazy. Atom, IMX, Solana, Sui, Arbitrum. I mean, Move. I mean, these things are absolutely tanking the market right now. So you guys can understand what needs to happen for an altcoin season to essentially happen, okay? And if you guys aren't going to stay here till the end of this video, you're just going to come back to these videos. You're going to try to understand. You're going to go on YouTube. Oh, altcoin season, when? There's no date yet, okay? There's literally no freaking date, but this needs to happen. And I actually thought that we were going to see $87,000. So let's dissect this chart real quick, okay? Let's go and take out this pen right here. Actually, let's take out this arrow right here, okay? We got 87,300, 86,600. It depends how you're looking at it. I mean, if you're taking the body, if you're taking the wick. But you guys can see right here, this is liquidity, okay? This is liquidity. We know what happened here. We were consolidating. Bitcoin was consolidating before we made a move all the way up to as high as $110,000, okay? That was 87,100, 86,900, 87,300. Really depends on which exchange. But you guys can see right here, we saw a big candle, and this is called an order block, okay? So let's just put right here, order block lick, okay? Just to give you guys an understanding, okay? Another thing that we have going on, okay, is this right here. This is another trend line liquidity, okay? So I call this a trend line liquidity. We failed to break that. What is a trend line liquidity? You guys can see right here what happened. Every time we came and retested this trend line, people put some longs. And guess what happened when we broke below the trend line liquidity or the trend line support region? It became a resistance, okay? So this right here is also a liquidity grab, okay? So yes, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, but there was support right here. Let me just take out this arrow right here. There was support right here. So you could say that too, okay? You could say this is support, okay? So let's just put SUPs for support. And then let's just put liquidity right here. Another one for liquidity, okay? There's no order blocks right here, but there's a liquidity, okay? We do have an order block right here. I guess you could say that this is a very, very small order block right here sitting at $105,000. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much what's happening. Now, one of the most important thing is the support region. Now, another important thing, okay, is the support region right here, okay? This is also a liquidity that needs to be decimated, okay? This liquidity right here needs to be destroyed, in my opinion. You guys can see right here, we came back, we retested one time. Guess what happened? Longed. 2 times, guess what happened? Longed. 3 times, longed. 4 times, longed. 5 times longed, and then for the 6th time long. We need to see and take people's stop losses. We have a lot of liquidity being built right here, okay? And the reason why I think that in order for us to see 87,300, 86,900. In order for us to see a massive altcoin season, we need to grab all this liquidity. Okay, you have people. Think about that. Think about that for a second. BlackRock, they don't want you to make money. Okay, they're smart. They don't want you to make money. BlackRock, Fidelity, it doesn't matter which, the SEC, the futures. It doesn't matter who it is. Everyone, big whales, they don't want you to make money. Okay, they want to take your money. This is their plan. This is their goal. Hence why I've been touching grass for the past. But you guys can see we have not yet closed below this area right here. So what does BlackRock do? What do these big exchanges do? They long in 10x, 20x. They long, they make a shit ton of money. And guess what happens? They sell on everyone who's buying. They're like, oh, this is the bottom. It hit support. This is the bottom. But guess what's going to happen? I mean, this liquidity is liquidity since November 11, 2024. Okay. We have not grabbed that liquidity since November 11, 2024. Hence why I do think we're going to come back down, shake everyone off. Maybe we're going to see a very, very fast candle all the way to $78,000. I'm going to get to that in just a second, and then have a huge recovery wick to the upside. And then that's when the altcoin season will start. But until then, guys, a lot of people are like, altcoin season starts now. This is starting now. Buy. I don't see it happening. And if we actually have a look at the monthly right here, the monthly time frame, things are not looking good. And the reason why is because we could see right here that Bitcoin is, of course, in a, it's in an inverse head and shoulder. I'm not going to lie. This is an inverse head and shoulder right here. You guys can see, this is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder right here. Bitcoin can still come down, by the way, to as low as $79,000, which is why I said the wick can literally go down to 80,000 before popping to the upside, before we actually see this move. Now, we could see the altcoin season happening in the winter or in the summer, on June 2025. It's very possible that it's just going to be slow. It's going to be boring. People are going to shift to meme coins. You guys also need to understand that a lot of people right now are invested in meme coins. Are like, you know what? Why would I invest in altcoins if they keep on crashing when you got a meme coin every day making 3 million%? Which is true. I understand that mentality. But then if you're not an influencer or if you are not a insider, you're going to get wrecked. They're going to use you as exit liquidity as well. So that's why you either have to work your ass off for a few months and then invest in altcoins, or just go touch grass, guys. Don't look at the charts. Don't trade, because you really don't know when this will pretty much go up. Now the positive scenario. What's the positive scenario in all this, right? There has to be a positive scenario. And the positive scenario is if I actually go on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin is actually above this area right here. So this was a channel that Bitcoin was, and the fact that we are above it is very, very good. And the fact that we're not, coming down crashing is also very, very good. So this is a channel. Bitcoin was in this channel right here for since when? Since 3rd of February. We're currently February 16. We were consolidating up and down. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes to as high as $102,000 before seeing like something like this. By the way, this can definitely be a fake out. We're gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. But the good thing is that we are above it. If Bitcoin can stay above it, and if we do manage to break, $102,000, I'm going to be very, very bullish, and that's when things are going to explode. But that's a very, very low percentage, guys. I'm talking about like a 5% this happens, okay? 5% that we literally blow past this level right here. And I'm just using probability right here, and pretty much that's about it. But we're going to have to see what happens. Like I said, guys, liquidity, order blocks, banks want your money, BlackRock wants your money, whales want your money, and you guys just have to play the game. You have to play their game. That means either don't trade, be patient, or don't freaking fall for these fake outs. I mean, you guys can see what happened right here. A lot of people got wrecked. People are like, oh look, crypto, Bitcoin's exploding, Bitcoin's breaking out, yeah, let me just go boom, long 100x, boom, got wrecked. I saw a lot of people in my group and a lot of people in other groups who pretty much went long 20, 30, 40x and got absolutely decimated on this right here. And if you're looking at 30, 40x and you're taking from the bottom, okay, you're already down like close to 50, 60%. That's literally unfortunate and very close to liquidation. So you guys need to be careful on that. Hope you guys have a good Sunday. Hope you guys have a good day. If you guys do like this video,